Children, here we have just expanded this one into this part, okay, and again this other one, next one in this way, okay. We just expanded this. So what we need to do here is, again, if you see here, sine square a plus cos square a, we write separately. One place you write here sine square a plus cos square a. Again, this will get cancelled. Sine a and cosec a will get cancelled, and cos a and sec a will get cancelled. Apart from this, what is pending here, children? Cosec a and sec square a. Cosec square a plus sec square a plus 2 and 2, 4. Again, this whole thing is what? 1. So 1 plus 4 plus cosec square a plus sec square a. Okay, Ananya, what to do after this, Ananya? Ananya, what to do after this? Ananya, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
What to do after this? Do you know? Do you have any idea about this? Tell fast.
No, sir.
Okay, fine.
Second
Today,
question.
Ananya, also you having problem with your camera? Today also you having problem, Ananya?
Yes, sir. So tomorrow we're going to the repair shop, sir.
All
So
right,
yesterday, yeah.
fine, all right. So next one is Rasool, Nihant, Drishti, Prahadarshan. All right. Fine. See what we have to do, children. Tan square A, we have to bring tan square A over here. And here cot square A. But this is coming in the form of cosec and sec. So who can tell me what to do after this?
Sir, I can tell, sir.
Okay, tell me.
Okay, sir. So cosec square a plus sec square a, sir. So we got this one, sir. Yeah. So we have got a formula 1 plus cosec square a plus sec square a plus 4 equals to here you go sine square a plus cos square a equals to 1. We know this. So 5 plus 1 plus cot square a whole into whole plus 1 plus tan square a cos square a. Sir, you can get a bracket here, sir. 1 plus cot square a.
Bracket is not required. Plus is there. No problem at all.
Alright.
See here, plus is there. No problem to write bracket over here. If it is minus, then you should write bracket. Okay. Samad.
Okay, sir. So
So now we can write. Children, what we have did here, what other Samad told, try to understand here. Cosec square A can be written as 1 plus cot square A because we have to get in cot square A form. Okay. Again, sec square A can be written in 1 plus tan square A because we have to get it in tan square A form. Okay, children. So now we'll get 7, 5, 6, 7. We can write it as 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. So anyone having doubt, children, anywhere in steps? First step, second step, third step, fourth step, and fifth step. Anyone having doubt?
Sir, explain the second and third step, sir.
Second step and third step.
Third step, yes, sir.
All right. Second step we have taken from, we just interchange. Only I just did the interchange. See, first I written here sine square A and cos square A. Why I'm doing? Because this whole thing is 1. This is identity. That's why I've taken here. Sine square A plus cos square A is equals to what? 1. Now what I've written? Cosec square A and sec square A. I've written here at a single place. And 2 plus 2. That is how much? 4. Okay. Now third step is very easy. 4 plus 1, 1 plus 4. And same thing,
Yes,
note,
sir.
now dot only, right? Anybody else? No one is having doubt. All right, fine.
Sir, the fourth step.
See, fourth step, that's I'm telling a child here, Praharshan. See, here in third step, we are getting it as cos square A and sec square A form, which we don't require this. And we have to convert cosec and sec in the form of tan and cot. Okay. So we converted, we are having the identity that 1 plus cot square A is equals to cosec square A, right? 1
Yes.
plus cot square A is equals to cosec square A. And 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. So we converted this one, that's it.
Oh,
Tell Praharshan.
sir, I thought the sec was sine for a second, so I got confused.
Okay, okay. This we are using here identities, not sine. 1 by sine don't use because we have to get in tan and cot form, right? That's why don't think about sine and all. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I think it's clear to everyone. So next question is cosec A minus sine A, and again here they are saying to solve separately. Cosec A minus sine A and then sec A minus cos A is equals to 1 divided by tan A plus cot A. So what to do, children, here? We just try to convert into sine and cos form completely. The 1 by sine A minus sine A in a bracket sec A, that is 1 by cos A and minus cos A. Take the LCM over here. Sine A is the LCM, so we can write here 1 minus sine square A. Again, we can write 1 minus cos square A, cos A. 1 minus sine square A is, so cos square A divided by sine A multiply by sine square A divided by cos A. So here cos A and cos A will get cancelled, sine A and sine A will get cancelled. So we're getting LHS as cos A into sine A. We are getting LHS as what? Cos A into sine A. Can anybody tell me what we should do so that we get 1 by tan A plus cot A in the denominator side? Can we get this? Any one of you can tell me what to do? We have to solve RHS part, right? Because here thinking is a bit difficult, right? Cos A into sine A, we're getting to convert cos A into sine A to 1 by tan A plus cot A is a bit difficult, right, children? So we have to try. We have to solve RHS part now. So 1 divided by tan A plus cot A. Tan A plus cot A. So what we can do here, 1 divided by sine A divided by cos A plus cos A divided by sine A. So what do we get? 1 divided by, take the LCM over here, sine A cos A, you'll get sine square A plus cos square A. So where is the main division, children? Main division is over here. So we have to convert. So what do you get from here? Sine A and cos A only. Because this value is what? 1. So if you do reciprocal of the denominator, you get sine A cos A. So we can write over here ultimately LHS is equals to RHS root. Tell me, children, anyone having doubt in the question number 9?
No, sir.
Drishi is clear. Nihant, it's clear. Nihant, Rashul, Adarsh.
It's clear, sir.
All right, fine.
Yes.
Now the last question of this chapter actually of the NCERT, that is here 3 is equals to 2 is equal to are there here. So you have to prove that this is equal to this and this is equal to this. All three are similar to each other. All three are same. So it's like question is like this: 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A is equals to 1 minus tan A divided by 1 plus cot A, sorry, 1 minus cot A. 1 minus cot A whole square is equals to tan square A. So this is the question, children. This is not the actual question. Actual question is this one, what I've written here. So 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A. So we can convert this to this and this also to this only. We try to prove this one, okay? So this is very easy. 1 plus tan, simply convert to sine and cos form. So 1 plus sine square A divided by cos square A whole divided by 1 plus cos square A divided by sine square A is equals to, what do you get in numerator? Cos square A, numerator will get cos square A plus sine square A whole divided by sine square A is the LCM. Right here sine square A plus cos square A. Now see children, here is the big division over here. So what we can write here, cos square A plus sine square A means 1 divided by cos square A multiply by sine square A divided by 1. Because this whole part is what? 1 only. And this also whole part is what? 1. So this is nothing but tan square A. Those who are having doubt, they can ask. So first step, second step, third step. I don't think anyone will have doubt. Okay, second part of it I'm solving. This is equal to this. Now I'm just solving like 1 minus tan A means 1 minus sine A divided by cos A divided by 1 minus cos A divided by sine A whole square is equals to cos A minus sine A whole divided by cos A whole divided by sine A minus cos A divided by sine A whole square. So we get it as, what we can write here, just here is a big division, children. So how we can reciprocal over here, cos A minus sine A divide by cos A multiply by sine A divided by cos A minus sine A. So we can cancel over here, and this is nothing but whole square is given. So sine square A by cos square A is nothing but tan square A. So those who are having doubt, they can ask, children, fast. Just see this and tell me where you are having doubt. No one is having doubt. Whole chapter got finished, children. Almost everything. Now we are going some extra questions. We have to do some extra questions based on this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So till here, if you want to ask any doubts in this trigonometry part, first of introduction to trigonometry, you can ask. See, from starting, I was briefing you once again. This is the, which is the bit thinking sum. I'm just writing, telling you here. This is the sum was there, you have to think. This is the most important sum among this whole exercise. See, first step, you have to think how sine came, okay? Why to divide sine? First step is this only. Then, because we have to convert to cos, cot, and cosec form. Second, you should think that this numerator part 1 should be converted to cos square a minus cot square. This is the second step you should remember. Again, this is bifurcated into two parts, and then we are taking common, and then numerator and denominator part getting cancelled, and we are getting the answer, last answer. Children, if you are having doubt in problems or and all, you can just ask the questions right now. No questions? So today I'll share one sheet also, children, so that you can practice those questions, okay? At home, you just practice. Different type of questions are there, improving sums only. I'll share the PDF with answers only where I have solved everything, okay? Here.
Okay.
So this is the thing, what so many questions, 49 questions are there in this. Different type of small questions are there. Based on that only, I have solved everything in this, okay?
Okay.
What happened?
Nothing.
Someone is asking something. No one. Okay. See, this also exercise I'll send to you. This one, 21A. Around 49 sums are there in this. Okay, children. Around 49 sums are there. You try to do this whole 49 sums. I have solved also in this. Okay. This is a part of ICSE. Okay. It's not difficult. Same ditto syllabus only. And from this also the question is repeating. Some question may be same. You can just look into it. If you're having doubt, you ask. Samarth, where you are saying? Nearby, who is there?
Sir, my parents are there.
So, what you are seeing and discussing with them? You are not concentrating this side.
No, sir.
So, children, you can ask
He
the
was
question.
just asking
What they're asking?
what are you teaching today? What is your teacher teaching today? They are asking about it.
Okay, fine. So, children, you are not asking any questions. Right now, I'm sharing. You are having the. You can see the classroom, right? Classroom you can attend. No, that one. If I send the notes on the classroom.
Sir, I don't have the classroom code, sir. Will you please send it again?
Google Classroom. Google Classroom, you are not there in Google Classroom. Okay, children, if you are not having any doubts, no, you can leave for the day for today. Okay. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.